Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do a variety of different videos including food hauls, beauty box unboxings, food subscription unboxings, TK Maxx haul, superhero hauls, boots hauls, watch unboxings, trainer unboxings. Today's video is the June edition of the ASOS Beauty Box and it's the Summer Body Beauty Box. It was released on Friday the 1st of June and I'm filming this on Saturday the 2nd of June because it arrived this morning. The first item in this box is something that I've already got and I'm currently using. I got one of these from Superdrug in March or early April and it came in like a Easter egg type plastic container with a couple of samples of two other LOreal products. So I already knew about this product and I was happy to get this. It is the LOreal Smooth Sugars Clear Scrub, purifies less blackheads, free fine sugars and kiwi seeds, face and lips, self-heating texture, exfoliant of 100% natural ingredients. I love the colour of this bottle and it's the Sanofleur Aqua Magnifica Skin Perfecting Botanical Essence. I don't think I've ever seen this or tried this before and I'm not even quite sure what it is. As far as I know it's some kind of essential oil but I don't know what to use it for because that is too tiny to read, so I'm going to have to do some research on Google on this, but it's quite a nice size. It is 50ml, so good amount to try out. The next item is by First Aid Beauty. I've had a couple of First Aid Beauty items before, so this is going to be something that I'm going to enjoy trying. It's the Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter. Dissolves all makeup, even long wear. So it says on the back, on dry skin, gently massage the products over the eye area for 15 to 20 seconds or until eye makeup is dissolved. Use additional product over the face to cleanse the complexion. Rinse with water or a damp face cloth. So it's basically for removing eye makeup. So I don't generally use a separate product. Well, I normally use micellar water, so this is basically the same thing. The next item is Nippon Fab Soften Kale Fix Moisturiser. Skin softening moisturiser for dry skin with super rich kale and watercress. I've just got a brand new moisturiser for my face to try out throughout June, so I'm not going to be able to try this until July unless I sneakily try it this month, but looking forward to trying that. I've had a couple of good Nippon Fab products before, so I'm interested to try this. And the final item is Tropez Self Tan Purity Natural Glowing Skin Bronzing Water Mousse. Never even seen this. It's definitely intriguing. It's not the biggest amount. There's 50ml there, but I am very intrigued by it. I normally like tanning products where you see the colour guide, so I don't know how I'm going to get on with this, but I'm happy this is in the box. So that's the contents of the June box by ASOS. It's £12. They're still sending them out in the very cheap boxes that I don't like, but can't have everything my way. I'm really happy with the products in the box. As I said, I do have the scrub, but everything else I don't have, and I'm looking forward to trying especially the Tropez water based mousse tan, whatever it is. That's going to be very intriguing to try, and that item there, which I don't have a clue what it is, but hopefully it's nice. If you have any questions about this box, please leave them down below, and please check out my blog because there will be a matching blog post at some point. My blog is always linked in the description box, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification so you're alerted every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching everyone. Bye!